Obesity affected my life with almost anything that I did, from driving my car to getting on airplanes to just going into a restaurant. Something as simple as that. It's there around you every day. Luckily for me, I did not. It was just my size that had affected me in my life. It did, especially going out, some family functions, vacations, things of that nature, to just be able to move freely and do certain things. It definitely held me back from a lot of different things, yes. Because of those things, I saw a lot of people out, carnivals, and enjoying things that I used to do when I was younger, and I no longer had that happiness that I wanted to be part of, so it was definitely time for a change. That research started probably about 5 years before my surgery, with other members of my wife's family having the surgery and me talking to a lot of different people. Then from that point, I decided to make my decision. Dr. Ahmad I actually heard about from a friend who I went to support him for having his surgery, and that's how I found out about Dr. Ahmad. After sitting through one of Dr. Ahmad's pre-surgical seminars, it made my decision real clear for me. Right after just listening to his numbers and his surgeries and just seeing his reviews online and reviews in magazines, it made it a no-brainer. It definitely is important to go to the seminars and listen to what the doctors have to say, listen to what the other patients have to say, and just hear all the different goods, bads, everything about it to make your decision easier for yourself to just go ahead and do it, so you don't have to question the decision you made. The gastric bypass surgery, one of the big decisions for that with me was my size. I didn't think that any of the other surgeries would help me lose as much weight as I have, and with the sleeve just being available at the time, it was too new, and I think with me being able to take different pain medications and things of that nature, I went with the gastric bypass. Also, Dr. Ahmad had just started doing that with the Vinci robot, and to me, the Vinci robot with Dr. Ahmad behind it is the best surgery to have. My friends definitely did. My family was behind me, probably not 100% because they didn't understand the whole reasoning and everything behind it. Obviously my wife was 100% behind me, and that was really all I needed to make the decision. This was for me, not for my friends and family. After surgery, the first few weeks were just some sleeping habits, moving around, being careful not to injure myself or hurt myself after the surgery. Beforehand, you definitely have to learn the foods to eat, follow the plan, and those are the things you're shopping. Basically, it's a life change. You really have to change almost everything that you're doing from the get-go, beforehand, not even just after. It's always a good feeling to see any kind of weight loss. Even a pound is a great feeling, and to see it fall off as fast as it did, it just makes it well worth it. Everybody just loves it. They see you as a new person, they see you happier, they see you doing more things. Obviously, you know, you're thinner, so everything just looks better, fits better, you're more comfortable in yourself. It's just a confidence that everybody can see. With the friends and family that I have and the friends that I chose, everybody treated me the same. The treatment was always the same. Where I saw the difference was out at restaurants or just out in public. The stares, the comments that you could hear people when you walk in a restaurant, everybody turns and looks at you. That stuff has gone away. You're not that stand out anymore. You know, you kind of just fit in and blend in with everybody now. I would say I started noticing changes within 3 months, easily, within 3 months, because the weight comes off so fast in the beginning that the changes are rapid. Clothes don't fit, you're getting rid of the bigger sizes, you're looking for smaller sizes. You know, you're feeling better. It's very quick. It's really quick. Once you're out of that liquid stage after the surgery, the changes are just amazing. It's been excellent, even before and after care. Both of them are the best that I have seen around. Anybody that I've talked to has told me, oh, you have that kind of a program? I didn't have that. Or really, you could still go there and do that 5 years later? Or it's the best. There really is no other better care out there than the one that Dr. Ahmad has. I would recommend Dr. Ahmad to my wife. That's how well I would trust Dr. Ahmad performing surgery on anybody for this. I would tell them to look in the mirror, clear their head, think of exactly why they would want to do this. Don't think of all the negatives around you, think of all the positives for having it done. Research it, go to the right support groups and the right surgeon, and then make your decision from there.